Okay, now this is a 2005 Chevy Express cargo van. Turn signals work during the day perfectly fine, both sides, left and right. At night, turn on the headlights. My driver's side turn signal doesn't work, just stays lit. I've taken this vehicle to numerous mechanics. I've called Chevy dealerships to see if they know what the problem is. I've gone on YouTube. I've followed videos. Nothing. There's nothing out there to tell you what it is. And I'm going to fix this problem in 2 seconds. I'm going to show you what it is. Okay? It's no fuse. It's nothing. Taillight. Okay? Someone installed an aftermarket taillight. So, as you can see, there's 3 wires. The white wire, it's a ground. It doesn't go connected to any other wire. So as you can see, let me shut this light off. Okay. Pause it for a second. Okay, back. Right now my turn signal is on. Turn signal, left turn signal is on. It's not working. As you can see, it's solid. Now watch what happens when I go ahead and cut the ground wire that's connected to some hot wire. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cut. Voila. See it flashing. Okay, I got it to work. It's flashing. It's a pretty fast flash, but what it is now you have to take the ground wire, this wire, and ground it. I'm gonna ground it so you can see that it's gonna flash normal. Can you see? It's a normal flash now. That's it. Simple fix. That's it. Ground it to the body, the white wire, that's all. Chevy Express. Simple fix.